In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and print blank contracts using DocuSign. This is your complete 2025 guide designed to provide you with clear and straightforward instructions. Whether you're new to DocuSign or just in need of a refresher, stick around. We'll go through this step by step. First things first, you'll want to fire up your favorite web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. The home base for all your digital signing needs. This is where we'll begin the process. Make sure you're logged in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, it's smooth sailing from here. Once you're on the DocuSign landing page, locate and click on the Agreements tab. This tab is vital because it houses all your active and archived documents, making it the perfect place to organize and find the files you're looking to print. Take a moment to scan through your options and get acquainted with the layout, as this will save you time in future visits. With the Agreements section open, the next step is to select the specific document you wish to print. If you're dealing with contracts regularly, you know how handy it is to keep them well organized and easy to locate. A little tip: naming your documents clearly when saving can save you loads of time later on. After you've selected your desired document, keep an eye out on the page for the Print and Sign button. This is a key player in our task today. Clicking it will open up a new set of options specifically tied to the printing and signing of your contract. Make sure your printer is connected and ready to go. To prevent any delays in this process, when you hit the Print and Sign button, a print dialog box will prompt you to select your preferred printer and settings. This step is pretty simple. However, if you encounter any issues with the connection, double check your printer settings or try restarting your device. And that's it. You've successfully navigated through DocuSign to access and print a blank contract. These steps will soon become second nature as you interact with this platform. Keep in mind that practice makes perfect. The more you work with DocuSign, the more intuitive it will become. Thank you for tuning in today and following along with this 2025 guide. Feel free to revisit this video if you ever need a quick refresher. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, please drop them down in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy signing, and until next time, take care.